upright pistol squats. Balancing on one foot directly in line with the TRX. Try to keep your palms facing down so you don't use too much bicep. Balancing one foot, making sure your heel's on the ground. You're going to lower yourself all the way down to your butt is on the back of your calf muscle, and then drive up through your heel. TRX is really just there for balance. Try not to use it too much to assist you. Driving up. The next step up from that is just adding the ballistic movement, which is simply all the way down, drive up, catch, down again. Up, catch, down again. Notice that my front leg is out in front the whole time. I don't bring it under me, I keep it out nice and straight.